Yeah. Fashion flow. Wonder. Need your street racing culture, night city lights. Close with this, down with this, ghost. City lights on my leather coat. Midnight run, yeah, we do the most. Concrete road, hear the engine cry. Street my stage, watch me fly. From the curb to the camera flash. Every step got power, no crash. I move fast, I don't look back. Street fashion on a racing track.
Neon glow on my oversized fit. Bold red lips, yeah, I run this strip. Heels or kicks, I decide the pace. Every angle, runway face. From underground to the spotlight scene. Queen of streets, confident and clean. I don't follow, I redefine. Street fashion, my design.
Eyes on us, feel the fire. Street born dreams going higher. No brakes, no fear, no slow. Fashion flow, ready to go. Rock it, on that road. Style so fast, overload. From the night to the city glow. This is street fashion flow. Pose, flash, cameras roll. Speed and dripping, full control. No rules, just style we show.
This is street fashion flow. This is street fashion flow. Speed in my veins, speed in my walk.
Street is my game.
Flow when I talk. Together we run the zone. Street fashion,
Fully grown.
walk it, rock it, feel that heat. Every step of victory beat. Fast life, slow mo glow. This is street fashion flow. From the street to the global show. Fashion flow, head to toe. Ride the vibe, let it blow. This is street fashion flow. This is street fashion flow. This is street fashion flow.
Fashion flow,
Yeah.
won't repeat.
Lights on. That is street racing culture, night city lights. Confidence and balance. This is street fashion flows. Neon signs on my jacket glow. Concrete runway, watch me go. Every step tell a story loud. City beat, hear the crowd. Laced up kicks, attitude clean. Oversized fit, magazine dream. From the block to the front row seat. Street born style, can't be beat. Mirror glass, see the flame. Different fit, never same. We don't chase, we create. Street fashion, elevate. Walk it, rock it, own that street. Rip so hard, feel the heat. From the night to the daylight glow. This is street fashion flow. Pose, flash, let them know. Every move is a show. No rules, just how we grow. This is street fashion flow. Cargo pants, vintage tee. Old school vibe, new energy. Graffiti walls, colors loud. Style speak without a sound. Mix that high with the low and fit. Luxury drip with a rebel twist. Every look, breaking every code. Trendsetters, we run the road. Eyes on us, feel the stare. Confidence in what we wear. Not a brand, it's a soul. Street fashion in control. Walk it, rock it, own that street. Drip so hard, feel the heat. From the night to the daylight glow. This is street fashion flow. Pose, flash, let them know. Every move is a show. No rules, just how we grow. This is street fashion flow. Flow, 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 From back alleys to fashion week, every culture, every beat. Real one shine, no need to pose. Street style louder than words we chose. Walk it, rock it, feel that zone. City lights, we in our own. Every step got attitude glow. This is street fashion flow. Cameras roll, let it show. This the vibe, this the code. Street to the world, head to toe. This is street fashion flow. Yeah. Fashion flow on the street. Style don't sleep.